It's beautiful. The Maldives are like quite famous for private villas and water villas. So this is a private island actually, and it's really pretty. How are you feeling, Kajal?
Very nice, very beautiful.
Exactly. It's like it's on our list, and then finally we are
here.
here. We are just in front of water villas. See behind, that's all water villa, so which is in private island. And yes, we're gonna feeling Kajal. Guys, this is water villa. There's some fruit. I don't know which fruit is this. It's a tropical place, so the fruit is quite tropical yoga. काजल का पोज कभी खत्म नहीं होता है. Now she is giving some पता नहीं क्या वाला pose है ये, and I have to take pictures of her. So it's like, what kind of pose is that, Kajal? Oh, you. My god. This is real funny. Okay, let me get her picture. What are you taking?
Rose wine.
Okay, so this is our Blue Lagoon bar where we can get our drink. And that's my beer. Chilled draught beer. Yeah.
Cheers.
Wow.
Finally.
Wow, it's really good. It's a rose wine, so you can try my beer. You'll be getting unlimited drinks out here, so please guys come and enjoy here. So, how are you feeling, Kajal?
Very excited.
Look at this pretty water. See. Oh, wow. Enjoying?
Yes.
Want to say
Something different experience swing inside the beach.
Different, huh? Come on. Yeah,
Hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin. You got the white knuckles Look at the colors, colors, colors. Round. Moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Held underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come, come, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around, You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feels bottled up inside.